underground strange sound. Ah! It's a big monster!
Sweetie!
It's Daddy!
Are you there, sweetie?
What?
Playing around with the toilet again?
No, I'm not!
Let's go. It's time for bed.
Daddy! Daddy! What's that sound?
Who is it at this time of the night? It's a ghost!
What's going on?
There's a ghost in the building!
There's no ghost in the world. Toby! Let's go have a look. Who's pretending to be a ghost?
Go away!
They're buffaloes. It was not funny at all.
Sorry, we didn't mean it. We heard a strange sound. It was so scary.
That's the sound!
Toby, let's go!
Here's the buffalo's house.
Let's get inside. Over there!
It's coming from here. And here.
Huh? Is the sound moving?
Ha! I found it. What's that smell?
Huh? Sounds like it's coming from the pipes.
Woof! This is Papillon!
Papillon, we need your backup.
Got it! Papillon always has a way! Sheriff Labrador! How can I help you?
There's something in the pipes. I need you to search there.
Got it! Here's my little pastor! Little pastor isn't afraid of dirty and hard work. It will be a great help.
There are so many things stuck in the pipes. Look, something's moving. Follow it.
No problem.
Come on, come on.
I got you.
It's catching
to the sewer!
Let's go downstairs.
Right now, little passer!
It stinks!
Hey, yes.
It stinks! A fish?
Oh, it's my fish! How did it get here?
I'm sorry. I dropped it in the toilet while playing in the bathroom.
Oh my goodness!
Sheriff Labrador's safety talk. Kids, the toilet is not a toy. Toilets are connected to sewer pipes, and there are a lot of dirty things in the pipes. So don't play with water in the toilet, and don't throw things into it. It'll clog the toilet and cause a big problem.
Woof!